Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your iPhone is on, Bluetooth enabled, and signed into the same Apple ID used by the AirPods. Open the Find My app immediately and select Devices. This gives live location data if they're connected. If location is stale, put your iPhone closer to the last known spot and refresh. Once done, enable Play Sound if available to hear a chime. That helps when you're within Bluetooth range and can triangulate by ear. If Play Sound works, move slowly while circling the room. Stop when the chime grows louder to pinpoint the exact couch cushion or jacket pocket. If they show only a last known location, go there and search methodically. Scan from top to bottom, clear one zone at a time, and check small compartments like cases and cup holders. Make sure to call out left or right when you hear separate chimes, and try retracing your steps while watching the map for any location updates. When you reach the final step, inspect the AirPods case and charge it briefly. A depleted case shows offline but reconnects after power. If still missing, use a Bluetooth scanner to look for nearby Bluetooth RSSI signals. This can reveal proximity even if Find My is offline. Make sure to check nearby trash, pockets, and under furniture. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing appears, mark the AirPods as lost in Find My and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.